Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio, and let's see, I'm showing you this video so you can see what I'm doing, and I hope you never have the opportunity to use it in the way I'm using it. So first of all, I'm going to show you about the damaged zinc, and here it is. Look at this. The box went from here all the way down. It got bent here, and bent and down here. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a pair of tin snips. Let's see, and I go down here to where it's bent, and then I clip it off. See, that bends it and deforms it. So now what I'm doing is I'm, trying to recover these pieces. So, I mean, this is good enough to put around a 12-inch piece. By the way, what happened was this was on a truck, and they strapped it down on top of the pallet, and then they smashed it from both ends. So we had to get a replacement for it. And interestingly enough, the insurance did not cover enough from the motor carrier to actually pay for the zinc. So this is the only way I'm really recovering some of the money that we lost. All right, what I'm using here, this is a Drill Master 2-inch benchtop cutoff saw. And I want to show you.
Could you move that thing?
Yeah, didn't they say they were gonna?
Thank you.
Okay, so look here. Here's 3 replacement blades for this 2-inch cutoff saw. Look, that's pretty dinky. All right. I got this from Harbor Freight Tools. It's really a good price, and it's a great saw. And they still sell all the parts to it, so you can, you don't have to go searching for a 4-inch blade like you do with the Jarmec type saw. All right, I've got this twisted to where it's pretty straight, and now I'm going to see this deformed edge. Now, in order to get the there's a safety stop right here, so you have to push this down. And if you look down here, you can see what happens when you push that down. See, it just pushes that little thing forward. Now, if I come down here like this, I can only rock it down that far. And if I do it like that, then I can go all the way down. So that's kind of a good safety, and it's actually one that works pretty well. And there we go. I'm building up a pile of them that are saved, and I'm sure I'll be able to use some of this zinc, and some of it will be too short to do anything with. Anyhow, that's my little tiny introduction to this benchtop saw. This benchtop saw could be something that you might be able to use, and I hope you never have to work on crumpled zinc like I'm doing. See you next time.